Here we go.
Have you checked in?
Yeah, check in. We done all the checks. Thank you so much. Alright. Mana kiri eh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What the hell, man? $50 a year, man. Unless we are talking about we are coming here every weekend. What do you think?
Bayar 50, ada tempat tinggi basikal bagus juga.
Yeah, that's the thing. Wow! Oh! It's a drop, eh? Careful. Wow! Baik ah. Lepas ah. Woohoo! Tak sia-sia training eh.
Sir, you see, that's what happens when you let somebody go first.
Tak sia-sia training pergi apa? Cari bilik pergi balik eh. Ni semua endurance eh.
Hi, morning.
Morning. Nice one. Okay, carry on. Pui. Ah, cangkuk satu gigi dulu. Ah, pelan-pelan pusing. Yes. Okay dah.
Naikkan balik ke? Senang.
Okay dah. Okay, so we have done our Sunday morning ride here at the Turf Club, and this is the aftermath. It is very super muddy. Anyway, this is the jungle cross. We start here and exited here. Okay, so we're gonna wash our bikes. All right, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are done with washing our bikes. It's now very clean. Look at that. Anyway, the trail is awesome, not too tiring, and the best part is they have this facility to wash our bikes. This is awesome. Okay guys, got to go. Happy Sunday.